Hello student, in last lecture we have started the electrochemistry. Today I am going to discuss the numerical based on the measurement of conductivity. The measurement of conductivity which is discussed in a last lecture. So start the first numerical, that is a conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole KCl gives at a 25 degree Celsius a resistance of 85.5 ohm. The conductivity of 0.1 molar KCl at a 25 degree Celsius is 0.01286 per ohm per centimeter. The same cell filled with the 0.005 molar HCl gives the resistance of 529 ohm. What is the molar conductivity of HCl solution at a 25 degree Celsius? Okay, this is the numerical. Okay, now first of all write down the given quantity. Given, okay, a conductivity cell filled with 0.1 molar KCl, that is the concentration of KCl is 0.1 mole. The concentration of KCl is 0.1 mole per centimeter cube. This is the unit of molarity. Okay, now gives the resistance. This KCl solution gives the resistance is 85.5 ohm, that is resistance of KCl solution is 85.5 ohm. Okay, the conductivity of 0.1 molar KCl, okay, at a 25 degree Celsius is 0.01286 per ohm per centimeter. This KCl solution gives the conductivity at a 25 degree Celsius is 0.01286 per ohm per centimeter. That is the conductivity K. Conductivity of a KCl solution is 0.01286 per ohm per centimeter. Okay. Now same cell filled with the 0.005 molar HCl solution, that is the concentration of HCl solution is HCl solution is 0.005 molar. 0.005, that is mole per centimeter cube. Okay. Next, this case HCl solution gives a resistance, that is 5 to 9 ohm, that is resistance of HCl is 5 to 9 ohm. What is the molar conductivity of HCl solution at a 25 degree Celsius? Okay, now molar conductivity, that is capital lambda, of HCl solution, question mark. Okay, now formula: molar conductivity of HCl is equal to 1000 conductivity of HCl divided by concentration of HCl. Okay, now concentration of HCl is given in this numerical here, concentration of HCl, but the conductivity of a HCl is not given in this numerical. So first of all calculate the conductivity of HCl solution. Okay, now formula is the conductivity of HCl solution. Conductivity of HCl solution is equal to cell constant, that is B, divided by resistance of HCl solution. Okay. Now resistance of HCl solution is given in this numerical, but cell constant is not given in this numerical. So first of all, calculate the cell constant by using conductivity of KCl, resistance of KCl. Okay, now cell constant is equal to conductivity of KCl, conductivity of KCl into resistance of KCl, resistance of KCL. Okay, the conductivity of KCl and resistance of KCl, both the quantity given in this numerical. So put this value in this equation, that is conductivity of KCl is 0.01286 per ohm per centimeter into resistance of KCl, that is 85.5 ohm. Okay, solve this equation. Per ohm get cancelled, and after solving this equation we get the final answer, that is 1.1 per centimeter. This is the cell constant. This is the cell constant. Use this cell constant and calculate the conductivity of HCl solution. Okay, now conductivity of HCl solution is equal to cell constant, that is 1.1 per centimeter divided by resistance of HCl. Here the resistance of HCl, that is 5 to 9 ohm. 5 to 9 ohm. Solve this equation, we get the final answer, that is 2.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 per ohm per centimeter, per ohm per centimeter. This is the conductivity of HCl solution. Use this conductivity of HCl solution and calculate the molar conductivity of HCl solution by using this equation. Okay, now put this value in this equation and calculate this equation, and we get the molar conductivity of the HCl solution. Now put this value, molar conductivity of HCl is equal to 1000 into conductivity of HCl, conductivity of HCl 2.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 per ohm per centimeter divided by concentration of HCl, that is 0.005 mole per centimeter cube, 0.005 mole per centimeter cube. Okay, now solve this equation. Okay, this 1000 is converted into 1 into 10 raised to 3, okay, into 2.08 into 10 raised to minus 3 per ohm per centimeter divided by, convert this 0.05 mole, convert this 0.005 mole per centimeter cube into 10 raised to, that is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3, converted into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per centimeter cube. Okay, solve this equation. After the solving this equation, we get the answer, that is molar conductivity of HCl is equal to 0.416 into 10 raised to 3 per ohm centimeter square per mole. Okay, and final answer, that is multiply this value by 1000, that is 10 raised to 3. We get the final answer, that is 416 per ohm centimeter square per mole. This is the molar conductivity of HCl solution. Okay. Now second numerical is the conductivity cell filled with the 0.02 molar sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, gives at a 25 degree Celsius resistance of 1 to 2 ohm. If molar conductivity of 0.02 molar sulfuric acid H2SO4 is 618 per ohm centimeter square per mole, what is the cell constant? Okay. Now first of all, write down the given quantities. Given a conductivity cell filled with the 0.02 molar sulfuric acid, that is the concentration of sulfuric acid. Concentration of sulfuric acid is 0.02 mole per centimeter cube. Okay. Gives at a 25 degree Celsius resistance of 122 ohm. Resistance of sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid gives the resistance at a 25 degree Celsius is 122 ohm. Okay. If the molar conductivity of 0.02 mole sulfuric acid is 618 per ohm centimeter square per mole, that is molar lambda of sulfuric acid, that is molar conductivity of sulfuric acid is 618 per ohm centimeter square per mole. Okay. What is the cell constant? What is the cell constant? B and question mark. Okay. Now cell constant is calculated by using a formula, that is cell constant is equal to conductivity of sulfuric acid into resistance of sulfuric acid, that is R H2SO4. Okay. Now resistance of sulfuric acid is given in this numerical, that is 122 ohm. Okay. Now the conductivity of a sulfuric acid is not given in this numerical. So first of all, calculate the conductivity of a sulfuric acid by using molar conductivity of sulfuric acid. That is, the formula is molar conductivity of sulfuric acid, that is lambda of sulfuric acid, is equal to 1000 conductivity of sulfuric acid divided by concentration of sulfuric acid. Okay. Rearrange this equation. We get conductivity of sulfuric acid is equal to molar conductivity of sulfuric acid into concentration of sulfuric acid divided by 1000. Okay. Put this value, that is lambda of sulfuric acid, molar conductivity of sulfuric acid, that is 618 per ohm centimeter square per mole in this equation, and also put the concentration of sulfuric acid, that is 0.02 mole per centimeter cube in this equation, and calculate this equation. We get the answer conductivity of sulfuric acid is equal to lambda of sulfuric acid, as a molar conductivity of sulfuric acid, 618 per ohm centimeter square per mole. 618 per ohm centimeter square per mole into concentration of sulfuric acid 0.02 mole per centimeter cube. 0.02 mole per centimeter cube divided by 1000. Solve this equation. After solving this equation, we get the final answer, that is the conductivity of a sulfuric acid is 0.01236 per ohm per centimeter, okay. Now after that, use this conductivity of sulfuric acid and calculate the cell constant by using this equation, okay. Now cell constant is equal to conductivity of sulfuric acid is 0.01236 per ohm per centimeter, 0.01236 per ohm per centimeter into resistance of sulfuric acid. Here the resistance of sulfuric acid is 122 ohm, 122 ohm, okay. Solve this equation. Per ohm get cancelled, multiply these two value and get the final answer, that is the cell constant is 1.50 per centimeter. This is the cell constant and final answer.